Hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Aaron Thomas, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually implement AI voice calling into your GoHighLevel account. Now, this is not a native feature in GoHighLevel, but what's nice is GoHighLevel allows us to do a variety of things, including fire webhooks, which this is what we've built our AI voice calling on. So by simply integrating webhooks into your workflows, you're going to be able to basically add in AI voice calling to your value stack. So before we go any further, I just want to remind you of the legalities and the regulations. Make sure that you're not using this to cold call people, that you're not just blasting out a bunch of calls to random people. You want this to be strategic in your flows. So in the same way that maybe you had a call center or an appointment setter give a call to leads that have explicitly opted in, these are warm leads, to either qualify them or go through a triage call. You're going to want to do that same method here, right? So this AI agent is going to be able to follow a script, follow a prompt, ask the pre-qualifying questions, determine whether or not they're a good fit and if they're qualified. And if they are qualified, you can actually get them to schedule an appointment with your closing team, right? So let's jump on into this. Like I said, we have a complete demo here. So one of the links that I'll include in the description of this video is this landing page. Basically, this is how you can take this for a test drive. And I even give you some example prompts down here, but really you can add whatever you want in this, right? You can add in, hey, give me a call and try to sell me a replica 1960 Camaro, whatever it might be. You can put in any instruction you want right here in the script. So real quick, what this is you put in your first name, last name, email, phone, and then you can choose from our 10 different voices here. We have different V2 models. V2 models are the latest and I would say less robotic sounding. It's gotten really, really good. So V2 is what I would definitely recommend demoing, but if you want to see the difference between V1 of the old model and kind of what we're using now with V2 and the progress that we've made, by all means, go ahead and try that as well. But what you'll do is you'll select a voice. So Jennifer is obviously female, Colin male, Valerie female, SpongeBob male, Danny male. So you can go ahead and just choose one of these voices, and then you can either type out your script. So you can say, I don't know, give me a call to chat about the weather, right? Or you can say, ask me about my day, ask me about my business. You can literally type in whatever you want. You can say, try to sell me on the fact that I need a new roof replacement, or try to sell me on the fact that you're the best marketing agency, whatever. Have fun with it, right? We have some pretty unique scripts that we see come through here. If you don't have any ideas, if you want to take it for a test drive, I have a couple down here for you. In this case, this is like a requirement. So if you don't meet these requirements, it will actually DQ you. So you can kind of test drive that and see how accurate it is with DQing the conversation. But we spend hours and days on prompt engineering. It's one of the most important parts of your AI setup. These were literally just thrown together for a sake of a demo. So whenever you do get started, if you're looking at building this into your agency, we can work with you, but there's a lot of thought that goes into prompt engineering. And I'll probably record another video specifically about prompt engineering, what to include, how to include it, how to type it out, all that fun stuff so that it's higher accuracy. But what you'll do here is you'll fill out this form. Now, whenever you submit this form, it triggers a workflow. So here in HighLevel, I have a workflow. That homepage website form is submitted. So basically, whenever this form is submitted, the one that I just showed you, it's going to add a tag. This is just so that we can keep track of who's doing the demo. It's going to create them as an opportunity in my sales pipeline. Again, just so that we can keep track of who's taking this for a test drive. And then down here, we have a condition. It looks for what voice they selected. And then each of these voices have a different webhook that's fired. So if I click Jennifer here, you can see Jennifer has their own, this is an own custom webhook. And you can see this is the voice ID. So this is the voice specifically for Jennifer. It's the voice profile specifically for Jennifer. And what's cool is you can also adjust so many other things here. And let me actually get rid of my video so you can see this more. So this is again, the voice ID specifically for Jennifer, but you can also adjust the emotion, right? If you want them to be happy, sad, frustrated, you can put in a couple different emotions here. You can adjust the speed. So one of the problems that we had is the voices, they were just so slow and it sounded robotic. We can actually adjust the speed. We can adjust the voice guidance, the style guidance, the temperature. So how closely does it follow your script? The sensitivity. Should they be interrupting the prospect? Or right here, the endpointing sensitivity. Whereas you can actually determine how sensitive it is to background background noise. So if someone's talking on the phone and they have the radio playing, or they have the TV in the background. So you can adjust all of this stuff. There's so much that you can adjust into this. You can see that we're using custom fields. So custom script, this pulls from, again, right here, the script instruction that you enter. We have a lot of things leveraging custom values, or custom fields, I should say, and custom values. Like we put in the different API keys and all that fun stuff. So whenever you do a demo, it fires off this campaign. And what's cool is we have this set to allow reentry, so you can submit this as many times as you want. And what's also cool is this integrates seamlessly with GoHighLevel, meaning we can actually pull in the transcript of the call. We can pull in the voice recording, so it will actually give you a URL of the actual MP3 file of the call recording. We can then take that transcript and use ChatGPT to make a summary of that. And then based on the summary, we can update custom fields with if-else conditional logic. So there's so much that you can do with this. So let's actually jump in here and we'll take this for a test drive. So I'm just going to fill out this form, put in my first name, last name, my email address here. And this is all blurred out just because it is my personal information and I don't want that just randomly online. I'm going to choose my voice here. We'll go with Jennifer. And then I'm just going to use, I don't know, we'll use this roofing one. I do a lot in the roofing space. So we'll copy that script, paste that in here. I am not a robot. Yes, I agree to receive text messages and calls. And now what we're going to do, make sure that you have your do not disturb turned off, because a call will go right to your voicemail if it is turned on. So make sure that you don't have any type of do not disturb turned on, focus mode, what have you, so you can actually receive the call. I'm just going to click that button of submit call request. And here momentarily, we should be getting a call from the AI agent. And again, you can do this on your own. All right, so here's the call coming in. Yeah, this is Aaron. Who's this?
Great, Aaron. I'm Ella from ABC Roofing. I see that you've opted in for a free, no obligation roof assessment. I just have a few quick questions for you. What type of roof do you have?
Yeah, so we have an asphalt shingle roof.
Got it, thanks. And how old is your roof?
It's hard to say. We moved in about 2 years ago, but I think the roof is probably around 15 years old.
Okay, thank you for that information. Have you noticed any damages or leaks on your roof?
Yeah, so we actually had some pretty strong winds come through the other day, and I think I actually see a couple shingles that are missing up on the roof. No leaks yet, but
I understand. Thank you for letting me know. Based on the information you provided, it sounds like it would be a good idea to have our team come out and take a look at your roof. When would be a good time for us to schedule the assessment?
I would say probably next Wednesday, if that's okay.
Absolutely. Next Wednesday works for us. I'll go ahead and schedule the assessment for that day. Our team will be there to take a look at your roof and provide you with a comprehensive assessment. Thank you, Aaron.
Hey, thank you. Take care. Bye-bye. All right, so there you have it. That was literally a minute and a half call. Now, again, you can get super more in-depth with prompt engineering. If you want them to go a couple layers deeper, this can actually integrate with GoHighLevel Calendar, so it can pull your availability for a specific date and time. There's just some additional setup that would need done on the back end to integrate with the GoHighLevel Calendar. It can check availability, schedule the time for your team to come out. All of your other workflows can stay the same. You can use this to do appointment reminders, appointment confirmations. So, hey, just giving you a call here. We're going to be stopping by in 2 hours to take a look at your roof, right? So the possibilities are literally endless. And this is available right now. So it's not native within GoHighLevel, but it's something that we're using our own technology to build this out. So if you're interested, find the link below this video. Take this for a test drive. Go ahead and do a demo call. And then if you want to jump on a call with myself or my team to see about how we can fit this into your agency and add this into your GoHighLevel account, man, do so. Grab a link on my calendar or grab a time on my calendar. I would love to chat more. And this is just one of the many benefits of using AI. The possibilities are literally endless. So thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, drop a comment below this video. Always happy to reach out and respond. But thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next video.